This morning in Trieste, the Savoia Excelsior Palace hosted a pivotal roundtable on multilingualism as part of the 36th Trieste Film Festival. Organized by Alpe Adria Cinema and Friuli Venezia Giulia's Department of Culture, the event brought together representatives from European capitals of culture.
Today, it's the third panel that we have organized, the third consecutive year, dedicated to Nova Gorica and Gorizia, European Capital of Culture. And it's very important to organize some moments of debate on this very important event that actually is about to involve all the region and all the regional cultural events.
With a focus on Go 2025, this bilingual event highlighted best practices for cultural collaboration and multilingual communication.
Extremely important, especially in this moment of re-emerging of nationalism, patriotism and sovereignty, because they highlight the importance of European culture, of diversity, of resistance also, criticism, political activism against the homogenizing notion of the nation, of the correlation between identity, language, ethnicity, especially the cities that are chosen as capitals of culture have a long history of hybridization, cultural exchange, so they do stand as a model we can refer to.